Hello, second and third grade. It's Mrs. Camacho. I know, I look a little different, but it's me. Today we're going to learn about something called perspective. And this little monkey is going to help you learn about perspective. Perspective is the way that we see things, the way that our eye sees things. And when something is really close to us, it looks really big. But now watch the monkey. When things get further away, they look small. That's perspective. Really close, big. Very far away, super small. So we're going to do a little flip video. I'm going to flip this video over. And on the other side, I'm going to have some things that you're going to need for your lesson. So here we go. Wow. So on this side, we have 2 Sharpies. You can start with 2 Sharpies, or you could use 2 pencils, or you could use 2 crayons. It's up to you, whatever you have. Even a pen is good. But I'm going to start with Sharpies. It's easier for you to see. The other thing you need are 1, 2 pieces of paper. I have 1 white and 1 blue. I'm going to draw on blue today just because it's going to be easier for you to see. But you don't need to use a color. You can use white just like I am. The other piece of paper should be the same size. I have a white piece. It's exactly the same size. The first thing you want to do is you want to fold your second piece of paper in half. 1, 2. You want to make sure it's nice and even. We're going to use these pieces of paper to make a dream room. Maybe a place that you'd like to be. Maybe a place that you go to that you really enjoy being in. A dream room can be anything that you want it to be. But it's going to show perspective. It's going to be 3D. So you can take your half a piece of paper and put it in the middle. You can put it a little bit up towards the top. You'll have more floor. Or you could put it down towards the bottom and you'll have more ceiling. I'm going to put mine right in the center. And once I have it there, I'm going to trace my rectangle. I'm going to use this blue Sharpie first, just so you can see the 2 different kinds of lines that we're going to have. So here we go. I'm going right around my rectangle, and I want to make sure that I go pretty slow. And I'm going to come down. So I can take that off. If I have a ruler, I could use a ruler for the next part, but if you don't, you can use the side of your paper. So to make your room have perspective, you are going to have to make some lines that go from the corner of your box to the corner edge of your paper. How many of those do we have? We have 1, 2, 3, and 4. So I'm going to start up here. I'm going to put my paper so I get the corner to the edge. There's 1. The corner to the edge. 2. Corner of the box, corner of the paper. 3. Corner of the box, corner to the paper. 4. This is going to be pretty crazy. So now let's take a look. Look at our 3D room. It's like you could walk into that room. It shows perspective. Well, I'm going to show you the first thing that you could draw in your room. And I want that to show perspective too. The first thing you're going to draw in your room is a bed. And I'm going to draw mine right in the middle of my room, but you could draw yours here, or you could draw yours here, but I'm going to put it right here. And remember, when you're drawing something that shows perspective, when it's close to you, it's really big. And when it goes further away, it gets small. So I'm going to make 2 lines. The one that's further away is going to be small. And the one that is closer to me is going to be big. Remember, those are horizontal lines. They're laying down lines. Now, once you have those lines, you can connect them. You might want to use the ruler, or you could really just do it with your hand. That's up to you. Remember, your bed needs some legs so it doesn't fall down. I'm going to put a little bed skirt. And you might want to put a little backboard on your bed. Remember, the further you get away, the smaller your line is. So even your headboard should show perspective. You can add lots of different things to your dream room now. Maybe you want a window. Maybe you want a door. Maybe you want a picture, right? On the wall. Maybe you want a fancy ceiling fan to make your room nice and cool. You can add as many decorations as you want. Maybe you want a pretty rug on the floor and a place to play. Once you take a picture of your dream room, you've colored it and it's all finished, I want you to send me a picture either to Google Classroom or my email or Art Instagram. I can't wait to see your dream rooms. I hope you're having a great week, and I hope to see you very, very soon. Goodbye.